Welcome back to Moto Rides, where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and deep dives into the automotive world. Today, we're shifting gears into the mid-size pickup segment with a closer look at the all-new 2025 Ford Ranger. Fresh off a redesign, the 2025 Ranger brings American toughness, modern tech, and a touch of refinement to a category that's growing more competitive than ever. Whether you're a weekend warrior, outdoor explorer, or just need a capable daily driver, the new Ranger aims to deliver on all fronts. A bold new design for a familiar name. The 2025 Ranger returns with a tougher, wider stance that brings it visually in line with its bigger sibling, the F-150. This year's redesign includes a bold front grille, C-clamp LED headlights, and muscular fender flares, giving it a rugged yet modern appeal. While it's unmistakably a Ranger, the overall silhouette has evolved into something more aggressive, more refined, and more globally cohesive. Drawing on Ford's worldwide Ranger platform that's already making waves in markets like Australia and Europe. What's more, the truck is now available in new color options, including a distinctive factory tan exterior that adds a unique earth tone presence rarely seen in this segment. Under the hood, powertrain options. Performance-wise, the 2025 Ranger offers a compelling range of engines. Standard models feature a 2.3-liter EcoBoost inline-4, delivering a solid balance of power and efficiency. For those who want more muscle, there's a new 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6, borrowed from the Bronco and F-150, that boosts towing capability and mid-range torque. Both engines are paired with Ford's proven 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts whether you're hauling gear or commuting in comfort. And for the hardcore off-road enthusiast, the Ranger Raptor returns with a 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6, tuned to crank out over 400 horsepower, making it the most powerful Ranger ever sold in the US. Interior comfort and tech. Step inside the 2025 Ranger and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more SUV than work truck. Ford has revamped the interior with high-quality materials, improved ergonomics, and an intuitive layout. A massive 12-inch touchscreen running SONC4A dominates the center stack, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation, and over-the-air updates. Digital instrumentation, premium audio options, and customizable drive modes elevate the experience even further. The tan exterior pairs beautifully with available black or light gray interior trim options, giving the truck a clean and composed look inside and out. Functionality meets flexibility. The Ranger continues to deliver where it matters, utility. With a maximum towing capacity of up to 7,500 pounds and a payload rating that rivals full-size trucks, it's ready for serious work. Ford's clever bed innovations include a built-in ruler, new clamp pockets, and an available 400-watt in.